what you wearing?
Hey, Dash.
Dashy, what happened? Careful, honey, the computer. Oh, come see me. Maybe I can help. Who's in there? What's the price in our cereal box? Come here, let me see. Oh, it's a puppy. It's a very stupid puppy. So this is what happens when we get into the garbage. Oh.
Hi.
Dash.
Come here.
Oh. It's like, you know, you could help. You could stop laughing and you could help. But that wouldn't be really as much fun. Can you give me 5? Give me 5. High five. No? Murphy's laughing at you, Dash.
Come to me.
Dash, come here. Dash, front. This way. This over. Oop. Oh, hi. Oh. Tail's still wagging. Tail's still wagging, huh, Dash? This is what happens when we get into the garbage can and we're not supposed to.
You help me.